Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Find My iPhone. Now, whether you have your iPhone with you and you wanted to make sure to set it up, maybe share your location with somebody or track a device that you own, or maybe you have lost your iPhone and you wanted to definitely find out where it is so that you can locate it if it was lost or stolen, I'll walk you through all of those steps. So the first thing you can do to make sure it is turned on is to tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Next, we're going to scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services at the top. Make sure Location Services is turned on at the top, and then tap on Share My Location. Tap on Find My iPhone at the top and make sure Find My iPhone is turned on in addition to Find My Network and Send Last Location. The Send Last Location is if your iPhone is lost or stolen and it's about to die, it will send the last known location before the battery does die. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again at the top left. Scroll down to get to the Find My app, tap on Find My. Make sure it's set to while using the app and precise location is turned on. Next, let's hop out here and open up the Find My app. So take your finger and swipe down and type in Find and tap on the Find My app at the top left. You'll be able to see it usually defaults to people. Let me switch over to that. And this will show you all of the people that have shared their location with you. You'll be able to track exactly where they are, in addition to, of course, where you are or your iPhone is. Next, you can tap on Devices at the bottom center. And you can see this iPhone in addition to my MacBook Pro, my AirPods, and I can scroll down to any of the other devices that I own or that are shared their location with me. Let's tap on this iPhone at the top. You can see it zooms into exactly the location where that iPhone currently is. You can see I can also tap on Play Sound. If I tap on it, it will immediately start to play a sound on that iPhone, just like that. And essentially, it will help you find where that iPhone is. Of course, I'm doing that on my iPhone here. Oh, let me just tap on that to get it to go away. Of course, I'm playing this on my iPhone. I'll also show you how to play it if you don't have your iPhone with you and you lost it under a couch cushion or somewhere around your house and you needed to play a sound from another device. You can also see lost mode. So lost iPhone, it says enable additional protection. You can tap on that and go through the lock. As soon as the device is online, lost mode will lock down certain things and it will show a contact number in case somebody finds it. It'll essentially show the phone number that they can call to be able to access you and to be able to get your phone back to you. So tap on continue at the bottom if you have lost your phone. You can see other options is notification. You can turn on notify when found if your iPhone is lost. And at the bottom, you can choose to erase or remove that iPhone from the Find My app if you choose to do so. Now, next, let's go through some steps if you don't have that iPhone with you. It is actually lost or stolen, and you needed to access it from someone else's device, another iPhone, another Android, or a computer. To be able to do that, let's exit out of here and open up a web browser, again, on the other device, not on the iPhone that is lost. Tap on search, and we're going to type in iCloud.com and hit go. From here, tap on sign in, and then use your email address and password to sign into the Apple ID account. Let me try that again here real quick. Sign in with passkey, see if my Face ID will work this time. There we go. So sign into your Apple ID account. After you have signed into your Apple ID account on another device, you can see on here, it says iCloud data web access is turned off. So you might need to enable it or turn it on. But on here, let's see if it'll let me get to it. It's not letting me get to it right now. So essentially, you're going to go in here to iCloud.com and go to the Find My App feature. If you wanted to go directly to it, you can go to iCloud.com/find and hit go. This will take you to the Find My Devices. You can see there is Trevor, and I can tap on that phone. It will pop up once it does register that is online, and there's a location found. After I tap on it, I'll be able to make it play a sound directly from iCloud.com. Again, I have that data protection turned on, so it's not letting me do that right now. But essentially, just go to your device, tap on it, it'll show you the exact location of it, and you can tap on it to make a sound to be able to find that lost or stolen iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy that one as well. Thanks, guys.